Okay, here's a few pieces of Australian Boulder Opal in the central Queensland opal fields. Rules in millimetres. Materials wetted, and the white that you're seeing there, some of the stones, is the light reflecting off the water. Something I can't do much about. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit closer so you can see some of the pieces. Semi-crystal, this piece. What you can see there, I think, is what you're going to get. It needs to be Dremel, this piece. Nice blues in this piece. Liquid greens up the top. Cut that off there and make it a triangular stone. Nice little eye. Or eyes. That down so it's a little lightning bolt. It's only a thin piece, that bit, unfortunately. Yeah, it's really on the side there. Another vein coming through here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.